Hi, I'm Isaac Halpern.
And I'm Daniel Bruno.
And we are the Halpern Bruno team, and we want to welcome you to 45 Fifth Avenue. This is apartment 9D. It's a one-bedroom on Lower Fifth Avenue, a pre-war. It really doesn't get better than that, does it?
No, it doesn't.
So let's go take a look around. The living room here is so classic New York. We have the oak strip floors with incredible detail, high ceilings with beams, and really what makes this room is this wall of windows. The owner here has great taste, and you'll see it's a very mid-century vibe if you're into that. So here we are in the Pullman kitchen with black granite counters and a 4-burner professional range. But what really makes this kitchen is like the giant window. It's really unusual. This is a truly magnificent restored Art Deco bathroom. You have your classic basket weave marble tile on the floor with white subway tile on the walls. 1930s style console sink with elegant chrome fixtures. All the fixtures are from Lefroy Brooks. You have a flushometer toilet, a deep soaking tub, shower combination with rain shower head, wand, and a great window. So this bathroom really says New York pre-war style. One of the things that's great about this apartment is all the original details, including this like solid wood door, which is hard to find these days, and then you have a mirror inset on the other side and original hardware. It's just a great package.
And now let's take a look at the spacious one bedroom. It has enough space for a king-size bed. You have 4 windows, which is really rare. Hey Isaac, should we show them the neighborhood?
You know what, we should, but before I just want to make sure, are you thirsty at all?
Yeah, I am. Do you happen to have any seltzer?
I actually have fresh seltzer. Let's do it. So this building is kept in really great shape. It's a beautiful lobby, and it's such a boutique feeling. There's only 4 apartments on each floor. You have this nice banister here and beautiful doors. Let's go outside. You have the First Presbyterian Church across the street. Amazing, iconic church, really beautiful. And then you're right next to the Salgamundi Club, which is a landmark in the city, and it's one of the last standing townhouses on Fifth Avenue. It's a great not-for-profit. Of course, you're only 4 blocks from Washington Square Park and just a few blocks from the Union Square Farmers Market. I mean, I want to live here now.
Me too. Thanks everybody for taking the tour with us. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks.